Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this very elegant Eid look using only affordable products. So without further ado, let's get started. With this light ebony color from the Coastal Scents Brow Palette, I'm going to start filling in only the sparse areas of my brows using an angled brush. And then I'm going to clean up the borders of my eyebrows using a concealer and bring the concealer down to my lids and even out the base to keep it ready for the eyeshadows. I'm going to set my lids with the NYC loose powder to prevent the concealer from settling in those fine lines and creasing. To prime my face, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Primer. I've had the Aveeno Moisturizer on my face for about half an hour now. To color correct in areas where I have darkness like under eye dark circles, dark spots or dark patches, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Crayon. I'm going to use it directly on my skin, spread it out with my finger and then set it with the NYC Loose Powder. That way it will not mix with the foundation that's coming up next. For foundation today, I'm going with the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in 745. First, I'm going to apply it with my finger and then spread it out using a damp beauty sponge. Because today's makeup is going to be very subtle, I decided to cream contour my face using the contour stick from Wet n Wild in Call Me Maple. And to highlight the high planes of my face to bring my features forward, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. This suits my skin perfectly, so this is my holy grail concealer. I'm going to be first applying it directly and then I will spread it out using a damp beauty sponge. And now to set and seal my face, I'm going to be using the Jordana Forever Flawless Press Powder. And after that, I will use some loose powder under my eyes and let it sit there till I finish my eye makeup. So in case there's any fallout from the eyeshadow, it's easier to dust it off later. First, I'm going to be using this brick orange color from the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. I'm going to be applying this to soften up the crease area as well as the outer corner using a blending brush. Next, using this transition color, I'm going to carve out just the outer corner and then I'm going to blend it out with the larger blending brush and use the same color in the lower lash line using a pencil brush. Now taking this slate gray color, I'm going to be using it in the outer ends of the upper and lower lash lines and then I'm going to smoke it out using a pencil brush. Using this ivory shade, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners. To tightline my waterline, I'm using the Jordana Easy Liner in Jet Black. I love this pencil because it's smudge proof. I'm going to dust off all the excess powder and then I'm going to prep my lashes by applying the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. You can certainly stop at the mascara and call it done, but I love a good falsie, so I'm going with Ain't No Wifey from Luxie Lash. I'm going to go over the lash band to cover it up using a black eyeliner, and then I'm going to finish my eye makeup by applying a coat of mascara to my lower lashes. To warm up my face, I'm using the Bronze Booster from Physicians Formula and then a light blush from Wet n Wild in Mellow Wine. You're welcome to apply a highlighter, but I'm going to skip it and keep it simple, matte and elegant. On my lips, I decided to go with one of my old all-time favorites. This is the CoverGirl Lip Color in Canyon. To finish up this look, I decided to go with a block print suit and pair it up with these beautiful German silver earrings. I hope you enjoyed this look, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you plan to recreate this look, I've included all my social media links in the description box below, so don't forget to tag me. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another exciting video. Bye guys.
तुझे मुझसे मिलाया है, तुझ पे मर गई तो मुझे जीना